That's our new plot look. It goes to the tree line there. At the bottom, that's our borders. So we've got all this here, look. All this. Boys, up this way!
Boys!
Sarah. That's where we're going to collect water drums. But yeah, a nice blank canvas for us to start our new adventure. So join along. Hello everybody, welcome back to Kelly Family Adventures. We're just got an allotment, so I'll show you around it. Look, to start growing our own veggies, a bit more self-efficient. We've done a path there, look, today. We've uncovered some strawberries, some mounds. We've got raspberries there. Black currants, I think they are, and some grapes there. So just a quick intro on our plot. So we will be doing a series of vlogs over the next coming weeks and months, getting the allotment ready for growing season next year. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that, and we'll see you another time.